Today's topic is community helpers. Community helpers are people who help us with our health and well being. We should always respect them and their works. They include farmers, doctors, teachers, firefighters, policemen, and many more. Doctor. A doctor is considered to be the god. A doctor is a dedicated person. A doctor is a person who treats everyone equally. Station master. A station master is the official who is in charge of a railway station. Station master plays an important role in train operation and station management. Nursery assistant. Nursery is an area where young infant seedlings are maintained under livelihood, socio-economic improvement of the pupil. Milkman. Milkman is a person who delivers milk to us. He carries milk containers on his bicycle or motorcycle. Vegetable seller. Fruit and vegetable seller. One who sells fruits and vegetables in the market or shop we call vegetable seller. Teacher. A teacher is a person who teaches students and children. Teachers play an immensely important role in the overall development of a student. Police. Policeman always keeps a gun with himself. He always wears his clean uniform on duty. He is a disciplined person. He stops crime. He is a brave man. Shopkeeper. A shopkeeper is an individual who runs a shop. Postman. The postman is a government servant. Postman is a familiar face. He delivers letters, money orders, and parcel to us. Firefighter. Firefighters are firemen are people whose job is to put out fires and risk people. Firefighting is a job which requires bravery, strength, quick thinking, and a wide range of skills. Mechanic. A mechanic is a person who builds or repairs engines or other machines. The most common type of mechanic works on vehicles like cars, motorcycle, tractor, etc. Driver. The driver of a vehicle is the person who is driving it. School bus. School bus drivers manage the task of picking up of students from stops and dropping them off at school. Carpenter. A carpenter is a person who works with wood. They can make cabinets, build houses, or do other things with wood. Traffic police. The main duty of the traffic policeman is to control and regulate the traffic. They generally stands on a raised platform and regulates the traffic by making certain signs with his hand. Officers. The officers of his service are responsible for managing the human resources of the Indian Railway and welfare of railway employees and their families. Chef. A chef is a trained professional cook and tradesman who is proficient in all aspects of food practice, often focusing on a particular kitchen. Waiter. A waiter is a person who waits on tables, often at a restaurant or cafe. A female waiter is called a waitress. They will take orders on and delivers food to customers. Farmer. Farmer is a person who grows crops like paddy, wheat, jaggery, maize, vegetables, etc. Kids who farm learn how to import their role is in the production of food that feeds that animal need food, shelter and grow healthy and happy. The dentist is a doctor who is specially trained to care for teeth. When you visit for a checkup, your teeth are developing properly as you grow. These are the occupation of community helpers.